To access your DoorDash virtual card number, start by logging into your Dasher app using your verified account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to either the Earnings section or the Dasher Direct section within the app. Both locations provide access to your virtual card information. Before accessing your card details, you'll need to complete a security verification step. This may include entering a PIN, using biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition, or receiving an SMS verification code. Once verified, you can access your complete virtual card information. This includes your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. The card number is revealed step by step for security. Each group of digits appears sequentially to ensure secure viewing. DoorDash has enhanced its virtual card system with real-time card management features. You can now instantly activate or deactivate your card directly through the mobile app. For additional security, your card details will automatically hide after a specified time period. This prevents unauthorized viewing if you leave the app open. DoorDash employs multiple layers of security to protect your virtual card information. These advanced security measures work together to ensure your financial data remains safe during every transaction. Tokenization is a key security feature where DoorDash replaces your actual card number with secure tokens during transactions. This means merchants never see your real card details, significantly reducing the risk of data theft. All card data is protected with end-to-end encryption during transmission. This means your information is scrambled into unreadable code from the moment it leaves your device until it reaches DoorDash's secure servers. Some DoorDash virtual cards feature dynamic CVV codes that automatically rotate for enhanced protection. This means even if someone intercepts your card details, the security code becomes invalid after a short time. To maximize your security, follow these essential best practices. Regular password updates, secure network usage, and keeping your app current are crucial steps in protecting your virtual card information. DoorDash monitors all transactions 24/7 using advanced fraud detection systems. With an average incident response time of just over 3 minutes and a 99.7% uptime, your virtual card is protected around the clock. Remember these key security points. DoorDash uses multiple layers of protection, including tokenization and encryption, but your personal security habits are equally important. Keep your app updated, use strong passwords, and avoid public networks when accessing sensitive information.